this shit on, boy. Now I'm too white. Alright, boys. It's cold. I'm tired. I'm sick. But we're changing the oil on this bitch. Putting the exhaust on. Yeah, that's all we're doing today. And then I'm going to ride the bike for the first time since buying it. So, that's sick. Can't wait. Dirty as fuck. Needs gas. Needs an oil change. Has had the same oil in it since 2021. So, that's what we're going to do today. We got this boy for the filter. Got our nice oil. New filter. Some of these motherfuckers. So yeah, I'm not really going to do a step-by-step. There's enough on YouTube for you to figure it out. And I shouldn't be teaching anybody how to work on anything. So, yeah, that being said, I'm going to start the bike, let it warm up. I'll probably take a quick clip of the cold start because the stock exhaust is going to be awful, but we'll do it. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. The startup of the stock exhaust. Woo! That was a rough one. Alright, quick update. Fuck. Oil's done. Old exhaust is off. New exhaust is going on. Special shout out to Kawasaki, because whoever fucking, like, I guess this is really only an issue because I'm putting an aftermarket part on, so I can't really be that upset. But you can't really see because how dark it is, but there's a bolt on the backside of this now that I put extended bolts on for, you got to put on this fucking thing for the exhaust so you have somewhere to bolt it to. But I have to get a wrench back there to tighten a bolt. You're turning maybe a 1/16 of an inch every turn because you're in between the swing arm, the frame, all this other shit. So, fuck this. Simply. That's the only part that's really been shitty. Got the servo motor out, servo buddy in. Big ass fucking muffler. Yeah, it's pretty much it, really. Everything else has gone relatively smoothly. Couldn't get the filter off because we used that fucking filter bobber wrench. It just kept popping off, so we're gonna have to get a better one to get the filter. Filter has 155 miles on it. Whatever old oil is in it isn't gonna kill the motor. I put the exact same, stock Kawasaki oil into it. If that's what blows my motor, fuck them. Hopefully it doesn't. Please don't. But yeah, hopefully I'll get this done. It was raining before slightly, so I don't know if I'm taking the bike home or not. I really hope I am because I really want to fucking ride. But keep you updated. Bye. Alright, chat. Time for a mostly cold startup. Make sure this bitch is in neutral. Good. Let's get a quick video for the gram. She's dirty as fuck. I'm so excited, dude. Holy shit, boys. Woo! I mean, it feels good. Squirrel! Oh my god, dude. I fucking miss this, dude. I fucking miss this. Come on, go, 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 go. Dude, it's kinda cold. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. Your boy. Maybe I just gotta wear them a little bit longer, get used to it maybe, but I don't love it. Definitely need my tank pads on. Oh, dude, I miss having this. Oh, god damn it. The inside of my fucking visor's fogging already, dude. God, dude, I miss this fucking thing. I miss being on two wheels. I'm gonna be honest, I probably should have thrown my windbreaker on over this. I'm a little chilly, but it's worth it. I might fucking split this because this is outrageous. Yeah, fuck this. No point in sitting all the way back there for no reason. So, just got done at my son's flag football game. Now we gotta run home, drop the bike, get the Tesla, go get that bitch washed. God damn, dude. Oh my God. Bumpy ass road, dude. I had a bunch, not a bunch, but I had stuff I wanted to talk about, but I'm just, between it being so fucking cold and just getting my bearings back of being on a bike, like, I can't really focus on, and dude, I need to get the stomp pads on this thing. Not stomp pads, I think they're called the brand, but I'm thinking snowboards. The grips, tank pads, because I'm sliding all over this bitch. This is gonna be a chilly ride home, brother. God damn. Man, does it feel fucking good to be back on this bitch. God damn, dude.